Filter in AutoCAD 3D. If you select a 3D model, the complete 3D model will select default. But inside 3D model, having a vertex and edges and faces. These things, if you want to select, you need to use filters. The filters available inside the Home tab, selection panel, and here it is available, the filters. Same tool, if you go to the Solid tab, and here it is available filter. Normally default you will get it no filter. No filter means you can select the object, 3D object directly. But if you use particular vertex or edge or face like that filter, if you use that one only, you can select and you can make changes in this drawing. Now I just use this vertex. Vertex means each corner points having the vertex. If you go near to this point, you can see a white color markup, and near to my cursor vertex symbol it is showing. I just click this point. Now you can see a red color markup. You can see if you go near to the red color, you will get the two options. The first option, move vertex. If you click here, you can make movement in this vertex. Now I just press this F8, ortho I just on, so you can make movement in horizontal or vertical. I just made like this and 25, enter. Now you can see this vertex is moved to this side 25 mm. The similar way, if you go near to this point, you can see allow triangulation, and if you select this one, that point, that exactly that point only will move like this. The both the things will not move, just it will move the exact that point only. So you can use these two options inside this vertex. You can select any vertex and you can make changes in the drawing. The next one, it is edges. If you want to select the edges, you can use this option, select edge, and which edge you want to select, you can select. I just click this edge. Now this whole edge are selected. Now you can see, once you select, you can see gizmo is added. Using the gizmo, you can make changes. You can make changes in this direction, or you can make changes in this direction. Which direction you want to make changes, you can make changes like this. Just click and drag, just place it like this, and you can give the value, it will place. At the same time, if you go near to this red color point, you can see few more option. Extended adjacent faces, just select like this, the face only, it will extend like this. Go near to this point, you can see move edges, it will move like these edges. And a similar way, we have some more option, allow triangulation available, that also similar way it will move like this. So this is edge option in filter. You can select the edge, mainly it is for selection. Just select the edge and you can make changes in the selection, in the edges. The next option, it is face. If you want to select this face, if you select, you see here, if you select directly the 3D model, whole 3D model will select. If you want to select this face only, you can use this option, select this face, and if you click here, you can see the face only will select. Now if you want to move this face, you can make movement in this face any direction, all the direction, using this move you can make it. If you click here, you can see a few more options. Using this option also, you can make changes in this 3D model. And the next option, it is solid history. So I made this option when I made this 3D model. I used solid history here. So if you want to make changes in this, you can make changes, because here it is, I used solid history. Already you know about the solid history previous lecture. If you want to know about this one, please go to the previous lecture, you will get it the detailed lecture. Here I select the solid history, and you can see the solid history available. If you go near to this, you see here, this is, we made the fillet, you can see fillet edges, and this is the fillet edges, and this is what we made, this circle, like that. All the things you can select using this filter, using this solid history filter. And this is the way you can use filter tool in AutoCAD